Sindhuja, and he's Magizhmithran, who's now 3 years, 2 months. So he's been recognized as the fastest kid to identify and recall multiple sounds in least time.
Me. That's no. Four. That's me.
So I think we strongly believe that out of our constant effort, dedication, and of course his interest in learn this has made him to accomplish this feat.
Done. Eyes. Stupid. Lion. Happy. Guys. Big. Cow. Rabbit. Dog. Doggy. Horse. Man. Cat. Tuna. Moose. Pig. Moose. Whistle. Horse. Rabbit. Cat. Rabbit. Piano. I made it. I took it. Bye.
And we would like to thank the Kalam Book of Records for providing this opportunity to showcase his hidden talent and bestowing us with this achievement kit. We believe that it will inspire him to learn and explore more a lot. And again, thanks to Kalam Records, Kalam World Book of Records for providing this memorable moment, and it will always place and it will always cherish and be very close to our heart.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.